In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook ads you've seen. This is particularly useful if you've come across an interesting ad but didn't have the time to interact with it right at that moment. Or perhaps you're curious about the types of ads you're being targeted with on Facebook. Either way, today's tutorial is for you. Let's begin by navigating to your Facebook profile. You can do this by first going to the home page of Facebook. Once there, locate and click on your profile photo, usually found at the top corner of the page. This action will direct you towards your personal profile page. Next, we're going to access a more detailed settings area. Look for the settings and privacy option, which you can find as a drop-down menu. Clicking on this will reveal a list of additional settings. Now, from the available list, you'll need to select Settings to delve deeper into the customization and privacy options provided by Facebook. Once in the settings menu, your next step is to find the Ad Preferences section. This is where Facebook accumulates all the information regarding your interactions with ads, the advertisers, and your preferences based on your activity on and off Facebook. Upon finding the Ad Preferences option, click on it to proceed. Interestingly, you'll notice that within the Ad Preferences section, there's a specific segment again named Ad Preferences. This might seem redundant, but it actually takes you deeper into your ad interaction history. So go ahead and click on this Ad Preferences option as well. After that, you'll come across an option titled Advertisers You've Seen Ads From. This is the goldmine of information for anyone looking to revisit ads that have previously appeared in their feed. By selecting this option, Facebook will display a list of advertisers whose ads you've interacted with or viewed. Sometimes the initial list might be limited. To see a more comprehensive list, you'll find a See All option, which when clicked expands your view to encompass all the advertisers whose ads you have seen. This is especially handy for finding a specific ad that caught your eye a while ago, but you've since forgotten about. Here are a few additional tips to ensure a smoother experience. If the list of advertisers seems overwhelming, take your time to scroll through. Remember, the ads you're looking for could be from an advertiser you don't immediately recognize. Keep in mind that ads are targeted based on your activity, so if there's a type of ad you prefer not to see, you can adjust your ad settings and preferences to better refine what's being shown to you. Finally, remember that this list is constantly updating. The ads you see today might be different from the ads you'll find a week from now, so it's worth checking back periodically if you're on the lookout for something specific. In conclusion, Facebook offers an insightful look into your ad interactions through its Ad Preferences section. Whether you missed an interesting ad or you're curious about your ad profile, following the steps outlined today will give you a comprehensive view of the ads you've seen. Not only can this help you reconnect with products or services you're interested in, but it can also provide you with a clearer picture of how Facebook's ad targeting works based on your activity. That wraps up today's guide on how to find the Facebook ads you've seen. We hope this tutorial was helpful and you're now better equipped to navigate your ad preferences and revisit ads that are of interest to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.